Shazia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the viral reverse cat eye. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying a kajal on my lower waterline as well as on my upper waterline. And then I'm just going to be applying the kajal a little bit on my lower lash line as well. And then using a thin eyeliner brush, I'm just going to extend out a wing from the lower lash line. And like you can see, I've applied a tape on my lower lash line, leaving a little gap so that, I can make a precise and sharp wing. So I would highly recommend you guys to follow this hack as well when you're trying out the reverse cat eye. And then I'm going to make a wing on my inner corner as well. So I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to draw a wing like shape, and I'm going to extend it to my upper lash line as well a little bit. I'm going to be applying black eyeshadow on top of the kajal to set the kajal in place and also to make it more long lasting and to make it more darker. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and then I'm curling my lashes and applying my Maybelline Colossal mascara. And of course, it's your choice to apply fake lashes or not. So I'm going to be applying my Miniso double layer lashes off camera. And this is the final result. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. It looks really chic, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this viral cat eye if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.